हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम वेब व्यू क्या है एंड्रॉयड में और प्रोग्रेस बार का यूज़ हम वेब व्यू के लोडिंग के दौरान कैसे कर सकते हैं वो सीखेंगे। तो वेब व्यू एक कंट्रोल है एंड्रॉयड के अंदर जो यूज़ होता है कोई भी यूआरएल को लोड करने के लिए, कोई भी वेबसाइट्स को लोड करने के लिए। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हमने यहाँ पे हमारे लेआउट में क्या लिया है, एक प्रोग्रेस बार लिया हुआ है यहाँ पे और नीचे एक वेब व्यू लिया हुआ है। ठीक है, okay, simple properties applied in that, and in our Java file we just declared it, and in find view method we just find view by id our web view and our progress bar. Now to load any URL in web view there is a one simple method, that is load URL, and it takes a string as an argument. So here is a web view.load URL, and it takes string argument. I have passed any URL here. So if you just write this find view by id and then web view.load URL, it will load particular URL. Now in any website, if there is a JavaScript support, then we have to enable it in our web view. So to enable it, here WebView.getSetting method is there, and that JavaScript enabled method true. By default it's false. Now you can see here my WebView client class. Okay, so सपोज करो कि हमने जो वेब व्यू लोड किया है, जो भी वेब पेज लोड किया है वेब व्यू के अंदर, उसके अंदर कोई एक URL है, लिंक है, तो वो लिंक पे जब हम क्लिक करते हैं तो वो ओपन होगा अलग ब्राउज़र एप्लीकेशन में। तो वो ना हो, अगर हम हमारे वेब व्यू में ही वो लोड करवाना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें एक वेब व्यू क्लाइंट का क्लास बनाना पड़ेगा और उसकी मेथड है should override URL loading, वो हमें ओवरराइड करनी होती है। तो जब भी हम वो लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वो जो नया पेज ओपन होगा वो हमारे वेब व्यू में ही ओपन होगा। तो उसके लिए हमने क्या किया, एक हमारा खुद का क्लास बनाया, दैट इज नेम इज माय वेब व्यू क्लाइंट, which is extending inbuilt class that is WebView client. So it has a 3 overridden method. First method is on page started. We have nothing to do in this method. Should override URL loading method. In that we will get two arguments here. First is view and second is URL. So view.load URL, this particular URL which we have passed here. Okay, and the third method is on page finished. So on page finish method will be called once particular URL is loaded completely. So after the complete loading we have to hide our progress bar. So we just set visibility view gone. Okay, and this web view client we have to set in our web view. So this is the webview.set web view client, and we have passed the object of this is the anonymous object. You can create object of my web view client and then you can pass it over here also. So web view is simple, just this load URL method, JavaScript enabled, and web view client. These things are optional. If you want to load simple URL in web view, there is a simple method that is load URL. Okay, so let's run this project and let's see the output. So I am just running this application in my device. Okay, so you have learned about web view in Android and progress bar. It's simple. We have just to find view by id, and the main method is load URL. Just set JavaScript enabled and set web view client. Web view client is the class in Java. We have override its 3 method, that is on page started, should override URL loading, and on page finished. Inside on page finished we just hide the visibility of progress bar. Okay, that's perfect. The Gradle build is running right now. You will see the output in few seconds or in few minutes. Okay, now I think it's installing. Okay, so where you see the output? Uh, okay, now I think it's launching here. Yeah. So in output you can see web page not available. I have passed this long URL, so it's saying web page not available. So let's change URL to Google, google.com. This is Google. So let's me copy this URL in over here. Okay, let's run again. Application is running again. Okay, now to install here, I think. Yeah, web page not available. Make sure that you have a data connection. Let's check the URL. It's https. Okay, the final mistake we have done is we have to use this permission internet because we are loading web. Okay, let me run again. So internet permission is necessary for web view. So I'll just load it again. Okay, so in this way we can use web view in Android. Okay, let me run it again. Here is the web view. So you can see the progress bar over there. Okay, so this is the simple tutorial about WebView and using WebView client in it. So if you have any doubts, please ask me anytime.